What is up, my fellow budget travelers? This is Emily here with Travel and Ledger, and today we are going to Paris. When you first pull up, you'll be able to drop your bags right at the front entrance. So regardless what time you get there, even if your room isn't ready, they're always willing to hold your bags for you so you can go and start exploring right away. I was excited to see Martha Stewart has a restaurant now, and Vanderpump has a Paris location now, so I was really excited to start my stay here at Paris. When I arrived, our room was not ready yet after I did the mobile check-in. So after walking around for a little while, I decided to go back up to the front desk, and the lady was really nice. She gave us a room right away, and she apologized for the delay. So if you run into the same problem that your room is taking a long time to get ready, just go to the front desk and they'll always hook you up. If you don't mind the wait, there's plenty of souvenir shops and little cafes all over Paris, so feel free to explore and check them out. Even though our room wasn't ready yet, I was able to show my mobile check-in QR code, and they let us go up to the pool, so we were able to sit and chill for a little bit while we waited for our room. The pool here is a really nice size. There's plenty of places to sit. They also have like a cafe area that has cornhole, and that view of the Eiffel Tower is going to make your day. The only issue with this pool, which is common in Las Vegas, is when it's on a higher floor. This one is on the third floor, similar like the Link is on a higher floor. If there is a lot of wind, they will close the pool because of the threat of things like blowing off the roof. So keep that in mind. If it's a really windy day, the pool might be closed. So you can always go to another location, and usually they give you some sort of substitute location to go hang out at the pool at. I was really excited to see that like every inch of Paris is very Parisian. I mean, check out this lobby where you can wait for the elevator. There's tons of Paris everywhere. Caesars uses the standard swipe key card, so keep in mind, don't ever put it next to your phone because it will deactivate it. And now the moment you've been waiting for, check out this view. If you stick around to the end of the video, I'll give you a highlight of what it looks like at night with the Eiffel Tower light show. Caesars always greets you with their magazines. It tells you kind of everything that's going on at their locations. And check it out, guys. These beds are as Parisian as you can get. I loved all the little details, like the cool Parisian art and the like lamp flare, the Parisian flair with that. It was just really fun. To pick up your bags, they'll just call downstairs and they'll bring them right up for you. So they did it really fast for me. Honestly, I only waited about 10 minutes, which was really fast because I know it was really busy at that time. This is going to make you laugh. I thought it was hilarious. They left Bud Light and string cheese in the fridge from the previous people, probably because they were so busy. They were just, making the rooms in order quickly. But I thought it was so funny, and we did drink those beers. So thanks whoever left them. And yes, even the bathroom had Parisian flair to it. I mean, that mirror. Guys, this was just such a great place to stay. I highly recommend it. And one of you, thanks for pointing out, I always do this. I always wave at myself in every mirror that I see. I guess that's just my thing. This shower was huge. Like, you could have fit like 6 people in that shower, honestly. It was so much space. I see this is the new norm in Vegas. Like, everywhere that I stay, they always have that little latch pole. Then you have your deadbolt, and then you're gonna have your do not disturb sign. If you stick with me, I'm gonna show you one of the best restaurants in Las Vegas, hands down. You're going to love it. And it's located right here at Paris. It is Mon Ami Gabi, and yes, they even serve escargot like the classic Parisian restaurants. And I love this restaurant because if you sit out on the patio, not only do you get amazing food, but you also get a view of Bellagio's fountains. And throughout dinner, you're probably going to get at least 3 shows. I like to go a bit later in the day, like around sunset, so you get to see the sun go down and all the lights come on at Bellagio. It really doesn't get any better than this. And then back to the room to watch the light show. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching, and if you want to see more Las Vegas casinos, check out my videos here.